Today, we will discuss Thinkorswim and Lightspeed. Both provide desktop platforms that can be downloaded. In essence, they both offer the fundamental resources required for active trading, yet their properties, speed versus in-depth analysis differ. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Thinkorswim is a wide spectrum of traders with a focus on option trading, ranging from novice to experts, well liked by people who appreciate thorough charting, analysis, and learning materials. A number of charting tools and technical analysis indicators, robust options trading platforms using innovative strategies, use paper trading, sometimes referred to as a simulated trading, for practice, comprehensive data, and market research. Lightspeed, primarily intended for professionals and aggressive day traders who value quick and direct market access, focuses on real-time data and quick order execution. Excellent execution and speed for traders with large volumes, incredibly adaptable platform, tools for a professional caliber. All in all, real-time market data is accessible through both platforms, which is necessary for well-informed trading choices, provide charting capabilities but at varying degrees of complexity. Both enable consumers to see trends and examine price action. Platforms enable traders to purchase and sell assets by streamlining order execution.